Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. To any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys, you have engine light on and you have any of the following codes guys. I'm talking about code P0340 P0341 P0343 P0344. If you have any of those codes guys, stay with us guys and we'll explain what can cause that and how to fix it. Also we'll share very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of money and trouble in the future as well, so make sure to stand till the end. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata that will be working right here, but it may be helpful for multiple generations even guys. So we have that engine here. We're going to remove the engine cover, usually grab and pull it up. Okay, you have 4 bushings. Okay, we pre-loosen everything, but those 4 bushings attached to these posts you can see right here. Now that engine guys, okay, you have 2 camshafts. Okay, one is on the intake side, one on the exhaust side. Those camshafts move, and in order guys, okay, to detect their movement and where they're located, and you need that, the engine computer needs that to find when to spray fuel, spark and all that stuff. It needs to have sensors to detect where they're located. You have one sensor detecting the intake camshaft and one on the exhaust camshaft. Now the codes that we have, anything from P0340 to P0344 relates to intake camshaft position sensor. In that case, that sensor will be located guys right here. It's a little bit hard to get to the bolt, but we have a special video that explains how to remove and how to replace it. Now don't confuse this one with the one on the back. The one on the back is for the exhaust side. Those are different codes. So if you guys have any of those codes guys, what I'll recommend, this is the wiring harness for the sensor. Always make sure that the wires are not loose, they're not broken, they're not bent here, and they're not eaten by a rodent, mice, anything like that. Make sure that, okay, this sensor, when you install the wiring harness goes all the way in guys, all the way in on the sensor. Now in some cases guys, if that sensor, okay, if that sensor has oil in the connector here from oil leaks, and that oil leak could be triggered by bad O-ring here or a leaking valve cover gasket, if you get oil in the connector, that can cause this code as well. Another thing guys, okay, if you have any of those codes guys, it could be a dirty sensor as well. If you have a lot of buildup, that can cause that as well, and you will need to clean it. But if you want to know how to test that sensor, and that way you don't have to waste your money on buying a new sensor, we'll have a special video guys that will actually explain that and how to test camshaft position sensor on a Hyundai Sonata. It will be published on the channel, so please check it out guys. All that we make it guys so we can save you as much money as we can. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having these codes. If you have that problem, most likely bad sensor or wiring connector guys somewhere. Thank you for watching and see you next time.